Scallops pasta. If you love scallops, you will love this dish. Oh yeah, let's take the scallops to the next level. Woo! Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where you get to learn how to cook delicious Italian recipes. And today it's scallops pasta time! I'm gonna show you how I love to do it, how I love to enjoy my scallops pasta, and I hope you will enjoy it too. Let's make it together. To make scallops pasta for two, we need 300 grams of Fettuccelle pasta. You can use linguine, you can use spaghetti, any long pasta that you like. Then I'm using fresh chili, but you can use dry chili. I'm using 12 scallops, okay? So I'm counting 6 scallops per person. 3 are gonna be for decoration, and the other 3 will be inside the sauce. Then we need 2 garlic cloves. We need nice cherry tomatoes from the market if you can. 1 lemon to give the nice flavors right at the end. Fresh parsley, of course, chopped. Extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Simplicity. This is what simplicity is like. So first thing to do, let's squash the garlic, just like this. And let's cut the cherry tomatoes in half, just like that. These are beautiful, juicy cherry tomatoes, okay? Use top quality, please. And also let's finally chop the chili. All right, let's put the pan on a medium-high heat, okay? We wanna cook these on a medium-high heat so we can see the scallops. So, extra virgin olive oil, okay? Be generous, about 3-4 tablespoons. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the garlic in there, okay? I'm just putting the garlic in there because I wanna give the flavor to the oil, okay? And then we're going to remove the garlic. Okay, just leave it in there. And at the same time, I'm going to put the chili in there, okay? So we're gonna cook the chili and the garlic together. Now the chili will stay and the garlic will go. Let's infuse the oil with flavors. And because we squashed the garlic, all the flavors of the garlic are coming out, okay? So it's a good trick if you want to give garlic flavor, but you don't want to eat the garlic. So when you see that the chili saute, what you do is you take out the garlic, and we are ready to add the scallops, okay? So now I'm going to put the scallops in there, and we basically want to cook one side, we want to sear one side, and I'm putting the nice smooth side at the bottom, okay? The smooth one, because I want to see that part. Put it in there. And just be careful with your hands. Unfortunately, this happens. So this is pretty normal that, you know, this happens to your scallops. Just be careful with the oil. After 2 minutes of cooking, we're gonna add the cherry tomatoes, okay? Just be careful. Put the cherry tomatoes in there, and we're going to turn the scallops around. Turn them around, see? That's my seed. You basically want the brown color on the other side, see? That's what you want. That's what you want. Look at this one. That's the color that you want, okay? See, this one is a bit too pale, so let's keep cooking it. You want them to be dark. We really want to cook one side properly. Perfect. See, that's the color that we want to achieve. Perfect, like this one. Okay, after about 1.5 minutes, you will see that the cherry tomatoes will get softer, and that's where you want to press a little bit so the juice will come out, okay? We want to get the juice out of these cherry tomatoes, okay? Very important. The juice is the flavor that you want to give to this pasta, okay? So let's get it out. In the meantime, we're still searing the scallops. So Keep pressing the cherry tomatoes. The juice is what is going to give the flavor to your pasta. So that's what you want. You just use a large spoon and squash those tomatoes. Just squash them, squash them. Yeah, look at the juice coming out. Look at that. Look at that. Now what we do is we're going to take out the scallops that are perfect for decoration. Something like this, okay? So see, the juice is coming out, you know. When the tomatoes stop releasing the juice, that's when it's ready, okay? Once you put the cherry tomatoes inside, you want to keep cooking for a maximum of 5 minutes. Otherwise, we're going to dry up our beautiful scallops. So this is what we want to do. Just get the sauce out and get this beautiful cream here. See this beautiful cream from the cherry tomatoes? This is what you want, okay? The smell is delicious. Can you smell it from the camera? Huh? Can you smell this from the camera? I'm not sure. I am not sure if you can, but this is delicious. All right, this is when it's ready, see? The sauce is out. This is drying up a little bit. It's time to switch off the pan and let it rest, okay? See? Our scallops are ready and cooked, and we are now ready to boil the pasta. Okay, now get a large pot of water, and what we do is we are going to add 1 generous tablespoon of rock salt, okay, to the pasta water. The water is gonna do and then you're ready to add the Fettuccelle pasta. Okay, put the pasta in there, and what we do is we press in, so we help the pasta to be cooked evenly. Because if you don't do this, you're gonna have some pasta left out of the water and it's not gonna cook evenly, okay? So do that and follow the instruction on the packet. This one takes 10 minutes. Okay, the pasta is ready. It's been 10 minutes. Let's get a mug of pasta water, okay? Because we do need this to combine the ingredients, okay? And let's get the pasta out. Beautiful. Fettuccelle pasta. It's like fettuccine, but it's dry. It's not made with eggs. It's just semolina and water. Let's see if the pasta is cooked. Beautiful and al dente. Now the pasta is ready. We're gonna put some half mug of pasta water in there. We're gonna put the pasta in there and mix. The reason why we do this is because we want to make this a little bit creamier, and we combine the ingredients properly. We emulsify the ingredients. What I want to do now, I want to put some nice lemon zest on top of our pasta. The lemon zest is going to take the beautiful flavors out. Oh, I do love lemon zest on my pasta. I absolutely love it. And believe it or not, lemon and cherry tomatoes, they love each other. You will be amazed at this. Let's put the parsley. Put the parsley in there. And now it's time to toss. Toss, toss, toss. Oh yeah. Time to mantecare. Mantecare. Ah. Love it. Look at that. See, the pasta is creamy. Like I said to you, look how creamy this pasta is. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that. Look how sensational this scallops pasta is. Huh? Silky, delicious, and full of flavors. Full of flavors. Last but not least, put some salt and pepper. Salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're ready to toss. All right, now it's time to serve this beautiful pasta. So, let's plate it nicely. Yeah. Now let's plate it nicely, please, okay? Guys, you need to be gentle with this pasta, okay? Make sure you get all the scallops. These scallops are gold. And now we're going to place these 3 scallops right on top for decoration. Let's put a little bit of parsley. A bit of parsley everywhere. Let's put more lemon zest on top to finish this off. Hey guys, this is time to eat! Oh yeah, best time of the video recipe. Let's get a scallop, let's get the pasta. I love the scallop. The pasta is so creamy, so moist. How do I explain this? I can't explain it. You need to make it yourself so you get to understand what kind of flavors I'm talking about. This fettuccelle pasta is so good. Look at that. I've got the scallop, I've got the pasta, and now it's going into my mouth. Can you tell from the video how creamy it is? I don't think you can. Can you understand, Mason? Can you feel it from the camera? Look at that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. Yum. Yeah. A round of applause to me. This is sensational. It is. Make it now.